Welcome to Max's Fun World, where learning is fun. Welcome to Max's Fun World, where learning is fun.
Hi friends. I'm Max from Max Fun World. Let's learn juicy facts about yummy watermelon and blueberry today. Watermelon is a fruit that's super big and juicy. Guess what? Watermelon is made of 92% water. Watermelon seeds can be black or white and hide inside. They grow on vines that crawl across the ground. Surprise! Some watermelons are yellow inside. Their skin has green stripes like tiger pajamas. Watermelon is sweet, soft, and super yummy.
Yum, yum, yum.
You can make watermelon juice. Let's pour the red juice to make yummy watermelon popsicles. So cold and sweet. I love watermelon popsicles. Wow! Watermelons go bounce bounce. Look! It's raining blueberries. Hi friends! Next let's explore blueberry wonders together. Blueberries grow on bushes full of green leaves. They start green, then pink, then turn deep blue. These little berries are full of superpowers. Blueberries burst with juice inside. Let's rhyme. Blue, true, you, tongue waggle. Let's blend. Blueberries plus milk equals yummy smoothie. Blueberries love to jump into muffins. Yum yum. We can freeze them, cold and crunchy. Squished blueberries make purple paint. Let's paint a rainbow. Hee hee. Thanks for joining me. See you next time with more fruity fun.